Today I'm going to show you how I make my turmeric ginger tea.
Cut 2 inches of ginger off, peel the outside layer, and mince it very well. Then slice your lemons, thinly sliced, and your oranges. Next, if you can, find local honey from your city. Next, you'll need organic turmeric. Add the powder to the mix. And a 1/4 cup of your local bought honey. You can add more if you would like to sweeten it better. Now you'll need 4 cups of water to add to your pot. Mix it good and turn it on high for it to boil for 10 minutes. I know it's only been 6 minutes, but I'm occasionally stirring it and making sure it doesn't boil over. I'm going to add a little fresh mint to it also. I added about 6 leaves. He doesn't like it. Scrunch them with your hands to break open the oils in the leaves, and then add them in. Time to shut it off and let it cool down a little bit. Try to drink this when it's hot. That's when it's best for your throat. I'm going to drink a cup now, and then a cup later on today. And same thing for tomorrow, so I got 2 days out of this. Once this is cooled down a lot more, then I'll add it into that pitcher, and then I'll put it in the fridge and I'll microwave it later on to heat it back up again. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel better.